Hi, I've got a really interesting question here, which is, and this is real, because I'm thinking, how do I answer this one? Isn't trading risky? Right? Isn't it risky? I'm thinking about it. Is it risky? Is it not risky? And so here's the answer. The answer is there is no such thing as a risky market, cryptos or forex or stocks or gold or silver, whatever. There's no such thing as a risky car, but there is a risky you. So if you don't know what to do, is trading risky? Hell yeah! If you don't know how much money to put in, if you don't know, for example, this is very important, that we only ever risk 1% of our portfolio, right? So if you have 10,000, we only ever risk £100. Now, if you don't know that and you're risking on 10,000, you're risking 1,000, you are risky. Yes, it's risky. So you need to know what to do. Once you know what to do, this isn't risky at all. Once you know how to drive, it's not risky at all because you know, right? Like before, it's like, now you just get into the car, you do all kinds of maneuvers, right? You'll probably go over the speeding limit and stuff like that because you know what to do. You overtake when you really shouldn't because you know what to do, okay? And it's exactly the same thing. Trading isn't risky because I don't know what you do or other people do, but we only ever risk 1% of our entire account on any one trade. Now, why is that important? Well, tell me, is this risky? If we have our money in here, right? We put it all in and that's 100% of our money. And we risk 1%. Okay, if we lose 1% of 100, how much are we left in? I'm going to ask the camera person. She loves it when I do that. Not. If I have 100 minus 1%, what am I left with? 99%, right? 99. So the question is, how many losses in a row do I have to have in order to wipe out my account? It's obvious. What do you think the answer is? By the way, comment below. Please don't, because that's how we learn. Comment below. What do you think the answer is? Okay? How many trades in a row do I have to make in order to wipe out my account? What is it? 100, 99, 90, what? 98, 97, what is it? Okay, go on quickly, go right below. What is it? Okay, and the answer, of course, it's obvious, is obviously over 460 trades in a row. Say, what? Okay, as the camera person is confused as well. Because surely, isn't it 99, 98, 97, 96, yes? Yeah?
Yes.
Right? Okay, fine. All right. Now, listen to this. This is really important that you understand this. And by the way, traders that have been doing this for years don't understand this. You've got 100% of your money and you risk 1%. You are now at 99. Then you go again. How much are we risking? We're risking how much? What percent? 1%, okay? But now I only have 99 left. Now I'm risking 1% of a lesser number, 99. So the answer isn't that it's going to be 1% less, it's going to be less than 1%. And the next time it's going to be even less and even less and even less and even less and even less. In other words, it's not like that, it's actually like this. There's going to be less and less risk, okay? Now, what I love about this, of course, is that when you're making money, though, it's going to be more and more and more and more and more and more. You're compounding up. This is like reverse compounding when you're losing. And I love something where when I'm losing less and less and less. But when I'm winning, I am making more and more and more, positively compounding. It's pretty cool, right? So again, coming back to your question. So many different ways I could answer this, right? Isn't trading risky? It is if you don't know what you're doing. I can tell you what, there are traders that have been trading for years and they didn't know this, okay? If you don't know how much to invest so that you're only risking 1%, you don't know where to invest, okay? You don't know when to get in. You don't know when to get out with a loss or when to get out. Those are the 5 different rules you need to know. With a profit, then yes, it's going to be risky. But as soon as you know those things, like driving a car, is riding a bike risky? Is it risky? Now, what do you think? Is riding a bike risky? It's kind of a really weird question, right? Because for a 5-year-old, flippin' heck, yeah, that's risky. Here you go, here's a bike, bye! Sorry about the car. Very risky, right? But if you know what to do, give me a bike right now, it's not risky. So you need to know. Otherwise, trading is not risky at all because you know what to do. Okay. Now, if you've got some questions about this, like you say, well, Marcus, yeah, but what about this scenario? Yeah, but what about this scenario? Go ahead, ask the question. I'll be very happy to answer your question, okay? Comment below, just write, well, yeah, but you didn't explain this, you didn't explain it. Very happy to explain. If you want to see any other videos like this and me explaining different aspects of risk, very happy to do that as well, okay? Just comment below, no problem at all. I look forward to your comment. Also, if you like this video, make sure you do hit that like button. I'd be very, very grateful if you did that as well. Finally, and this is the most important, hit that subscribe button, because I want to be sending you information like this and information like this that most people don't know for two reasons. One, so that you can profit. But the other reason, because I have 20 years of trading and investing experience, I've made so many mistakes that you can avoid. Okay, I'm going to be sharing those with you over the next few weeks and months as well. So hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on that. And I look forward to seeing you on the next video.